As technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, so too do our abilities to communicate with it. One of the most exciting developments in recent years has been the rise of AI language models like ChatGPT. With over 175 billion parameters, ChatGPT is one of the largest language models in the world. It was created by OpenAI, an AI research organization based in San Francisco, California. ChatGPT is based on the transformer architecture, which allows it to process and generate natural language text. To train ChatGPT, it was fed a massive corpus of text data from the internet, including books, articles, and web pages. ChatGPT can be used for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, text generation, and language translation. It has been used to generate a variety of content, including news articles, poetry, and even code. And perhaps most impressive of all, ChatGPT is constantly learning and improving. It is able to adapt to new data and generate more accurate and sophisticated responses over time. Overall, ChatGPT is a powerful tool for natural language processing and has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology in the future. As we continue to develop and refine this technology, the possibilities for what we can achieve are truly endless. Whether it's improving customer service through chatbots, generating news articles in real time, or even assisting in medical diagnoses, ChatGPT is already having a profound impact on a wide range of industries. But this is just the beginning. As AI language models like ChatGPT continue to evolve and improve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications and use cases in the years ahead. For example, we may see more advanced chatbots that are able to hold more sophisticated conversations with customers, or language translation software that is able to accurately capture the nuances of different dialects and languages. Ultimately, the potential for AI language models like ChatGPT is limited only by our imagination. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible with this technology, we can look forward to a future that is more connected, more efficient, and more innovative than ever before. If you're enjoying this video, why not show some love by giving it a like? Go ahead, give that button a little click. And while you're at it, why not join the club and subscribe to our channel? So what do you say? Are you in? We hope so. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.